It must pass 4 important tests. So these are very important, right? So it must fall into one of these 5 classes. It can be a process. So like I told, a methodology to write. It is a process. It can be a machine, a device to write. It can be a manufacturer. So when I mix both, I will say I am a manufacturer. So how I am manufacturing this pen, right? So I can put the ink first, then the cap, and then the pen. Or I can put the cap first, then the ink, and then the pen. So depending on how I manufacture, also I can find a patent. Only thing is it should be an improvement over the previous methodology, previous procedure. Then compositions. For example, if you take a phone, earlier the body used to be aluminum. Sorry, it used to be plastic. So now they have different grade of plastic. Then they went to aluminum. Now if you see the latest phones from Apple and Samsung, they are all titanium bodies. The body they are made of titanium. So depending on the material, we can file a patent. And the fifth category is it can be a new use of any of the above. What it means is there is already one process there, a process for manufacturing a pen. If I find a new methodology wherein I can manufacture a pen differently, it also can be considered as an invention, or it also can be considered as patentable. This is the first one. So next important test is it should be useful. My son he makes some small device which he is able to roll around in the house. If nobody finds use for it, it is not the patenting organization, they will reject the application. It should be useful. Now why we have to spend so much time and money and investment into granting you the patent. So after getting the patent, I am ensuring that this is being used by the economy or this is being used by the society at large. And it should be novel. So when I say it is novel, of course we understand, right? So it is something which is new or something which nobody has seen or something which is different. And the final one is it should be non-obvious. I say it's a pen, I manufacture different pen. There's a very high probability that they will not give me a patent because it is obvious. Everybody knows it's going to be a writing device. So I have to do something new in the pen, then only they will consider it as patentable. So for the idea or an invention to be patentable, it should pass these four important tests. So whenever we develop something for which we think that we have to file as a patent, so we can go through these ourselves and then find out whether this is patentable or not. So there are 5 types of patents. One is called as an ordinary patent. Second is called as patent of addition. So when I say ordinary patent, something which we have developed as new is called as an ordinary patent. So there is a predominant type of patent which is being granted. When I say a patent of addition, it means that there is already a pre-existing patent there. I have done something new or I have developed something new on top of it. So it's called as a patent of addition. Third one is divisional patent application. What I mean, what this means is, if you take a phone for example, I can apply a patent for the entire phone as a whole. However, I feel that my phone, the